Hello and welcome to AI Without Borders, your go-to source for all things related to artificial intelligence. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting developments in AI, Chat GPT by OpenAI, and how you can use it to generate text that is both perplexing and bursty. Chat GPT is a state-of-the-art language model that uses deep learning techniques to analyze and generate human-like text. With its advanced transformers architecture, Chat GPT can generate text that is both creative and surprising, even to the most experienced users. What makes Chat GPT particularly interesting is its ability to generate text that is both perplexing and bursty. The model is trained on a massive amount of data, which means it can generate text that is similar to human language. However, its output is often unpredictable and can be surprising, even to the most experienced users. So how can you use Chat GPT to generate text? First, it's important to understand that the quality of the generated text will depend on the prompts or questions you give to the model. The more complex and abstract the prompt, the more likely Chat GPT is to generate text that is both surprising and creative. To use Chat GPT, you need to have access to an API or web interface that allows you to interact with the model. OpenAI provides an API that you can use to integrate Chat GPT into your own applications or websites. Alternatively, you can use a web interface like GPT-3 Playground, which allows you to experiment with the model without any coding. Once you have access to Chat GPT, the next step is to start giving it prompts or questions to generate text from. Let's say you want to write a short story about a haunted house. You can start by giving Chat GPT a prompt like, "The old abandoned house on the hill had a dark secret." Chat GPT will then generate text that continues the story based on the prompt. Here's an example of what Chat GPT might generate. "The old abandoned house on the hill had a dark secret. No one knew what had happened there, but everyone knew it was best to stay away. The locals whispered that it was cursed, that those who entered its walls never returned. But I was different. I was drawn to the mystery of the house, to the secrets that lay hidden within. As I stepped inside, the air grew cold and the shadows lengthened. I could feel the weight of the past pressing down on me, the memories of those who had lived and died there. And then I heard it, a faint whisper, a voice from the darkness. 'Get out,' it said. 'Leave now, while you still can.' But I couldn't. I was too curious, too intrigued by what lay ahead. And so I pressed on, deeper into the heart of the house. And that's when I saw it. The ghostly figure of a woman, her hair black as midnight, her eyes burning with a fierce intensity. She beckoned me closer, and I felt myself drawn to her, as if in a trance. And then she spoke, her voice echoing through the halls. 'You have been chosen,' she said. 'Chosen to uncover the truth about this place, to bring justice to those who have been wronged.' And with that, she vanished, leaving me alone in the darkness, with nothing but my courage and my curiosity to guide me. As you can see, Chat GPT was able to generate text that continued the story based on the initial prompt, but with a surprising and creative twist that made the text more perplexing and bursty. Another way to use Chat GPT to generate text is to ask it abstract or philosophical questions. For example, you can ask Chat GPT questions like, "What is the meaning of life?" or "Is reality an illusion?" and see what kind of text it generates. The output is likely to be unexpected and thought-provoking, making it a great tool for exploring complex topics and generating new ideas. Here's an example of what Chat GPT might generate in response to the question, "Is reality an illusion?" with higher perplexity and burstiness. Reality is a subjective experience, shaped by our perceptions and beliefs. What we perceive as real may not be the same for others, and what we believe to be true may be based on incomplete or inaccurate information. In a way, reality is an illusion, a projection of our own minds onto the world around us. But that doesn't mean it's not real. The experiences we have, the emotions we feel, the relationships we build, these are all part of our reality, even if they are subjective. It's up to us to decide how we want to interpret and experience reality, and to find meaning and purpose in our lives. As you can see, Chat GPT was able to generate a complex and thought-provoking response to the abstract question of reality and illusion, providing a new perspective and prompting further reflection and discussion. In conclusion, Chat GPT by OpenAI is a powerful language model that can be used to generate text that is both perplexing and bursty. By giving it complex prompts and questions, you can unleash the full potential of Chat GPT and explore the endless possibilities of language generation. While its output may not always be accurate or reliable, Chat GPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and interact with text, opening up new avenues for creativity and exploration. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you think about Chat GPT and how you plan to use it in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.